IELTS Listening MCQs, or multiple choice questions, tips and strategies. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling one of the trickiest parts of the IELTS listening test, multiple choice questions, or MCQs. If you've ever found these challenging, don't worry. I've got step-by-step tips and strategies to help you solve them confidently. Let's get started. Understand the question format. Let's talk about the format. In the IELTS listening test, MCQs can ask you to select one correct answer, choose two or more correct answers, or match information to a list of options. Always read the instructions carefully. They'll tell you exactly how many answers to select, so don't miss this crucial detail. Read questions before listening. Before the audio starts, you'll have time to read the questions and options. Use this wisely. Here's what to do. Quickly scan the questions, underline keywords or phrases that stand out. Think about how these might be paraphrased in the audio. This preview sets you up to focus on the right details as you listen. Listen for synonyms and paraphrasing. One of the IELTS's favorite tricks is using synonyms or paraphrasing. For example, if the question says increase, the audio might say rise or grow. If it says reduction, listen for words like drop or decline. Train yourself to recognize these variations through practice tests. It's a game changer. Eliminate incorrect options. As you listen, start crossing out options that don't fit. This process of elimination narrows down your choices and makes it easier to spot the correct answer. Warning: watch out for distractors. These are options that sound right, but are actually used in a different context in the audio. Stay sharp, don't rush your answer. Here's a big mistake to avoid. Don't rush to pick an answer just because you hear it mentioned first. The IELTS test loves to mention all the options, but only one or the specified number is correct. Listen to the full context before deciding. This will save you from picking the wrong answer. Watch for trick words. Keep your ears open for trick words like but, however, and although. These often signal a change in direction, and the correct answer is usually given right after them. For example, the park was initially planned for the west side, but it was moved to the east. See what I mean? These words are your clues to the right answer. Practice active listening. Lastly, let's talk about active listening. This means focusing intently on the audio and even trying to predict what comes next. Use practice tests to improve this skill. The more you train your ears, the easier it'll be to anticipate and catch the right answers during the actual test. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips for mastering IELTS MCQs. 1. Underline keywords. This keeps you focused during the audio. 2. Familiarize yourself with accents. The IELTS listening test includes British, American, and Australian accents. Practice listening to these so you're prepared. 3. Use prep time wisely. Don't waste the time given before each section. Use it to analyze the questions. 4. Stay calm. If you miss an answer, don't panic. Move on and stay focused on the next question. And there you have it. Everything you need to tackle multiple choice questions like a pro. Remember, it all comes down to practice, focus, and strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IELTS tips. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at www.ieltsworldly.com. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your IELTS preparation. Stay confident, practice hard, and ace your IELTS.